This year will be quite different. It comes at the moment where the world is facing, of course, a crisis due to the coronavirus outbreak. Do you think this year's CIIE will be different?
Look, it will definitely be different. It will help our African markets grow as exporting economies. What it does is it makes their businesses in Africa more solid, more sustainable, financially speaking. That is even more important in 2020 than it was in 2019 and in 2018, where the global economy looked better, and now we face more economic uncertainty.
What benefits have companies, especially from African countries where you are strong, gained from the previous two expos?
For them, it's an opportunity to expose their brand. The second part is related to this one, which is you engage with, you build a trade network in China. So our customers benefit not just about in terms of brand exposure and building up network, which can take a long time. They come back home with transactions, with contracts being executed in Shanghai.
What do you think about the prospect of the Chinese economy and its impact on the global trade?
China remains what we call and what I call the most consequential market for Africa, the one that will have the biggest impact on our African economies. I think we see a gradual recovery in the short term, and definitely we are much more confident in the medium to long term, finding again a very solid Chinese economy. I believe the Chinese government has done a very good job. If you just look at the data, the resumption rates, economic rates, have been very impressive.
What role can the China International Import Expo play to improve global trade during and also after the pandemic period?
It will continue to deliver trading opportunities, importing or exporting for China. And those participants will have to leave knowing that they've cracked the Chinese market and with contracts to bring money back home, sustain their jobs, and sustain their businesses.